Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Danielle. I wanted to make an orange patchouli soap today. So in this, it's going to be orange essential oil, patchouli essential oil. We're gonna do a drop swirl with red clay. And then we are going to do just a basic design on the top. So let's get started. Let's get you in the middle here. All right. All right, so let's get our lye. So the base of this soap should already be a little bit dark just because we're using patchouli essential oil. So this is how dark the essential oil already is. So you're already gonna have a dark base color. And then when we do the drop swirl, we're gonna do an orange clay, which I think will be really nice. So there's probably gonna be two different colors. One will be like a very, very light orange, more of like a hint of it. And then the clay itself should be a nice darker orange. Closer to the red side, to be honest with you. This comes out pretty dark. All right, so let's just shake up our essential oil. I did get all of my stuff ready early this afternoon, so all the clays have stuck to the bottom of the containers, which is all right. It just needs a little shake. Okay. Oh, that smells awesome. Patchouli is just one of those scents. You love it or you hate it. I absolutely adore patchouli. I think a lot of people, when they think of patchouli, they think of like hippie patchouli, like the incense, that fake patchouli smell. But if you've ever smelled a patchouli essential oil, I think it smells very different. I sure do love that smell. All right, so let's just blend this up and then we'll see where we are. I'm going to try to keep it a little bit more fluid, just so that we can get a nice drop swirl in there and it's not too thick. All right, and here is our red clay. It does look a little bit orange, but it's definitely like a burnt orange, I guess is the color that you'd say this is going to turn out. All right, let's mix this up. Such a pretty color. All right, let's make sure you can see all of it. All right, so let's get the base color in. Get about half that in. We'll pour this in. Rest of the main color. like I'm in the zone tonight, not in the mood for chatting. You ever be like in the zone when you're soaping? Sometimes you can chat up a storm, and then other times you just want to be completely silent and really just enjoy what you're doing. I feel like tonight's one of those nights. Just want to be silent. Had the day off from my normal 9 to 5, which was really nice. So I got a lot of soaping stuff done today. Sometimes I feel like I'm more busy on my day off from my normal job than my normal job, just because I try to jam so much into my 2 days off. It just feels so overwhelmed sometimes. But that's what happens when you want to run a business, doing something that you love, to get it up off the ground and moving at a steadier pace than normal, right? All right. I don't think I'm gonna do, should I do a chopstick? Yeah, maybe I'll just run a chopstick through it real quick. All right, so let's let this firm up just a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna do too much of anything. I kind of like the top as it is, but we'll just do a little bit of texture on that. All right, let's texture this top a little bit. What to do? Well, you know what, let's just give a little flick. All right, and then on the other side, we'll just do a little chopstick swirl. Just get that red in there. Perfect. All right, so here is the orange patchouli. You know what this reminds me of is the citrus mint. So that is our bestseller. It is actually has pink clay, and because it has the orange in there as well, the base color looks the same. So let's hope that this red clay just gets a little bit deeper and we'll be good to go. All right, let's spray this down and then we'll have you come in for a look. All right, and orange patchouli. I'll see you back here for the cut. Hello, welcome back. All right, so today we are going to cut up the orange patchouli soap. This has orange and patchouli essential oils, and then it is colored with the red clay for the drop swirl. So let's just tighten this up and then bring you down so you can take a look. All right. right, and here is the orange and patchouli cut. All right, let's finish cutting this up. Does smell very nice. It definitely has more of an orange scent to it, so I did 75% orange and 25% patchouli. So it's definitely a fresh scent. It's not heavy by any means. So here you have the orange and patchouli essential oil soap with red clay. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.